Welcome. If you've ever wanted to organize your Instagram Reels and view them from oldest to newest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to easily sort your Reels in chronological order, so you can revisit your earliest creations or simply keep your content organized. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, located in the top right corner. Give that a tap. A menu will slide out from the side. Here, you'll see several options, but you want to tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you've done on the platform, making it super easy to manage your content. Next, scroll down until you find the Content You Shared section and tap on Reels. This will bring up a list of all the Reels you've posted on your account. Now, here comes the key step. At the top of the Reels list, you'll notice a filter or sort icon. Tap on this icon, and a sorting menu will appear. From the available options, select Oldest to Newest. That's it. Your Reels will now be displayed starting with the very first one you ever posted, all the way up to your most recent. This makes it easy to see how your content has evolved over time, or to quickly find a specific Reel from the past. Sorting your Reels from oldest to newest is a great way to reflect on your creative journey or simply keep your Instagram organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.